In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to manage client work. Whether you're juggling one client or many, Trello can streamline your workflow with its user-friendly interface. By the end of this guide, you'll have a robust system that helps you track your projects, meet deadlines, and keep everything running smoothly. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. If you haven't set up an account yet, now is the time to do so. Trello allows you to log in using several different methods, such as Google or Microsoft accounts, making it easy to jump right in using whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, click on the Create button that's prominently displayed. This is where you'll set up your Trello board. Click on Create Board to begin organizing your client work. Think of a board as your digital whiteboard. It's a space where you can visualize all your projects and tasks. Now it's time to create some lists on your new board. Lists are columns that you can use to categorize your tasks. Start by setting up basic lists like to do, doing, and done. These three lists are essential and will help you track the progress of any task from start to completion. If you need more lists to suit your specific workflow, you can easily add them by typing in the name and pressing enter. With your list set up, next you'll want to populate them with cards. Cards are individual tasks or items that need your attention. To create a card, simply click on Add a Card under the appropriate list, type in a name that clearly describes the task, and hit Enter. Each card has a wealth of customizable options. Click on the card to open it and add details, starting with a description. This is where you can provide more context about the task at hand, ensuring that you or your team members have all the information needed to proceed. Next, enhance your card organization by adding labels. Labels can be color-coded and tagged with descriptions to quickly identify task categories or priority levels. Also, be sure to set a due date for your tasks. This is crucial for staying on top of deadlines and scheduling your projects efficiently. To make sure you don't skip any steps, create a checklist within the card. This feature allows you to break down a task into smaller, manageable parts, making it easier to track your progress. As your project advances, you can move cards from one list to another by simply dragging and dropping them. This visual movement across lists will give you immediate insight into your progress. And there you have it. With just one board, a few lists, and some thoughtfully crafted cards, you've set up a powerful system to track what you're working on, never miss a deadline, and keep client work super clear and stress-free. Enjoy the organization and clarity Trello brings to your workflow.